Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on CGC, aka Canopy Growth Corporation, trading on the Nasdaq. Yo guys, a lot of red volume here in the chart, and we have to talk about the next price levels before we may see here a technical reaction to the upside. As you can see, my previous liquidity zone here, which is usually here in favor for the buyers, and this is still, guys, active. This is still in favor for the buyers, but you can see that we left this liquidity zone here significantly. So we have to talk about the next price levels here, minus 22% since we're trading below that. And I want to give you here an update based on the chart and about the potential short squeeze price levels here for Canopy Growth. But every time, guys, when we want to see a short squeeze here, we need drama. The market makers create panic, shakeout. Absolute, the worst scenario, guys. But this is also here, in my opinion, building up for Canopy Growth. Everything what I say here is, of course, not financial advice. I give you here my honest opinion based on the chart. Yo, guys, where to start? So we have new all-time lows. Yeah, the all-time low for Canopy Growth is $2.15, and it doesn't seem like that we have a bottom in. However, guys, I try to break down that video here as easy as possible. Yeah, and we start here first without the drawings, just with the indicators. And what I love, guys, not yet perfect, but what I love is the weekly RSI, guys. When we want to see a short squeeze, yeah, or let's call it, I mean, a short squeeze would mean short sellers get forced to close their positions. Of course, when we have here new all-time lows and drama, they are not forced to close their positions. But when they close their position, this is usually the beginning here of an algo squeeze, gamma squeeze, short squeeze, call it whatever you want. The typical description of a short squeeze would mean that they are forced to close their position. This is not what happens here, guys. They close some of their positions, and the closing of the shorts, yeah, create these kind of buying pressure here. That's why you see these spikes here, but that doesn't mean that we see here a huge short squeeze, guys. But we have here a so-called algo squeeze, short squeeze potential for Canopy Growth, and I show you here all the price levels in my video. First of all, guys, we have to say the market is still super bullish. Yeah, we have a lot of squeezes here, and also one of my hot stocks performed a short squeeze of 443% here on the 23rd of January. My brand new hot stock video is out right now. If you don't know what that is, guys, I always try to predict short squeezes here in the market. Yeah, this is my mission here. First of all, most important is to educate you on trading. That's why I publish so many videos here. But I also have here my finest selection of short squeeze stocks, which I present every Sunday, guys. And you can see here some of the member feedbacks where my members gained here 370% and more in a single trade. There is, of course, no guarantee. As I said, I just give my best to predict short squeezes here. If you want to see here my actual video and the finest selection of short squeeze stocks, then you can join our trading community here on Patreon. The full package membership is the most popular membership which I have. You get all these member benefits here, guys, when you join in. When you click the info icon here in the corner, you get access to the Patreon member link. We're growing here every day, guys. So Canopy Growth, I want to see a little bit more pain, guys, to be honest. There is no technical support waiting here at $2.22, not as far as I can see. The RSI is almost in the perfect spot. As I said, a little bit more drama, a little bit more pain would be good. But as I mentioned before, the liquidity zone where I expected here something to happen was between $3.16 and $2.78, and we left that. Why we left that support zone, guys? Yeah, the market makers are still there. There is only one reason, or usually there is only one reason why we could leave these kind of support zones. First of all, the algos creating more downwards pressure. There's not enough buying pressure. Yes, but guys, we are here in a manipulated market, and usually if here is nothing happens here, they're using naked shares, naked shorts, or the company is diluting, guys. Simple like that. Yeah, it's not only the bad short sellers. Sometimes the company itself creates this kind of downwards momentum. And what do we have for Canopy Growth, guys? Yes, we have dilution. Yeah, short interest is just 6.6% based on the actual float, which means 8 million shares are short. Is not that much, guys. 6% is quite normal. We don't talk here about a high manipulated short squeeze stock. But still, based on the technicals, Canopy Growth has, of course, some short squeeze potential. So, but what we have, guys, is dilution. The actual float is now 122 million shares. And you can see before in January, we had 105 million shares. Now it's added here more or less a little bit more than 10%, 122 million shares. And before, guys, in October, we even had just 93 million and 87 million shares. So this is a massive dilution. If you ask yourself, why is the price going down? Guys, because of dilution. Dilution can kill a short squeeze. The float is still small enough to perform here a short squeeze, but when you want to see here a short squeeze, we need some candles like this here with high volume, guys. And during that time here, after the split, the float was much lower. So 200 million volume in 1 week is not enough to increase here, or to force a short squeeze. We need here much more than 100 million volume in 1 day. That would be perfect here to force a squeeze. You can see, of course, that the average trading volume for Canopy Growth is just 5 million shares. This is not high, guys. This is very low. So of course, when you see now here a volume candle of, let's say, 20, 30, 40 million, that can easily drive the price up. But as I said, if you want to see here something really big happen, we need here 100 million volume or more. Then we could see here a massive squeeze to the upside, and just an algo squeeze, guys, could bring us back here to $3.85. This is here one of the make it or break it price levels, and everything above that, yeah, brings us back here in the $6 range or even higher. We have, of course, much higher price goals, but I don't want to hype you up here. I want to be realistic. First, we have to ask, where is the potential bottom waiting? Therefore, I show you my macro pattern here for Canopy Growth. Sorry, guys. And what we can see, guys, I just made here a very simple Fibonacci retracement based on the last significant move. We had here a huge gap down, yeah. Of course, dilution, and in combination with the market makers, we have these kinds of gap downs. And what we know is that we usually have to close this golden pocket here at $5.09. So if they don't perform a reverse stock split and don't dilute too heavy, guys, we should come back here for Canopy Growth to at least $5.09. And what we also can see here in the chart, that a price above that, yeah, above $5.50 here, creates usually a much bigger squeeze. We have here huge candle reactions, and see that Canopy Growth is, of course, able to squeeze. If we keep it now really simple, guys, yeah, we broke all the support price levels. The 1618 report support broke, yeah, 2.2 broke, 2.6 broke. Now nothing here, guys. Everything broke. So what we have to accept now, or expect now, is that this algo trend line here is the squeeze trigger for Canopy Growth, and that would mean, guys, we see here $1.85 or lower. The next support based on this Fibonacci retracement, which is, in my opinion, still active, yeah, I still think that we have to close this golden pocket here. Have to adjust it a little bit, guys. It's not 100% on the dot. So $5.09 is the price target which we at least have to see, and $1.59 is the next support price level. So if we should tank down and don't find support immediately here at this trend channel line, guys, yeah, if we should see something like that, in my opinion here, I would say between $1.80 and $1.60 should be the support for Canopy Growth before we see here a bigger squeeze to the upside. Yeah, my opinion based on the chart, not financial advice. If you want to copy the price levels, guys, here for Canopy Growth, this is here everything based on TradingView. This is the program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. $3.84 is a significant price level which we should touch. The golden pocket is waiting at $5, and you can also see that we have at $5.15 an open gap that would just make sense for Canopy Growth to retest this. This is, of course, not a short squeeze. This is just an algo squeeze, but still would be a price increasement of at least 130%, which I think is possible if they don't dilute the stock too heavy, guys. Be very careful when a company is diluting. That is not in favor for a squeeze. So if you want to copy the price levels, guys, I can offer you here a discount link on TradingView. This is the program what I really can recommend if you want to learn trading. Otherwise, I would not talk about this. And I have here a $15 discount link available on the premium tier. When you click the info icon in the corner, you get access to this TradingView discount link. Guys, don't forget also to check out my latest hot stock video. Yeah, and if you don't want to miss any updates, yeah, and you like this content here, then please click the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for your support, guy. I appreciate that. Thank you for your time. Being that said, see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.